You'll see a large band of cloud and thunderstorms making its way across South Africa over the last 24 hours or so, and then settling in over the northeastern part of South Africa by Wednesday afternoon, but particularly over Mpumalanga. Our satellite also shows quite a bit of cloud along the coast with some light rain along the south coast, as well as for KwaZulu-Natal. For tonight, the South African Weather Service have issued a watch for the possibility of severe thunderstorms, and that includes parts of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. We're expecting most of the thunderstorm activity over that part of South Africa overnight, with the possibility of rain along much of South Africa's coastline, and we'll see wind speeds pick up over South Africa's interior. On Thursday, a cold front brings in some morning rain in the southwest, with cloudy, wet and cool to cold conditions over the southern and southeastern parts. We're also forecasting overcast weather with thundershowers for KwaZulu-Natal, with thundershowers extending through to the Lowveld and isolated thundershowers over the central interior. However, partly cloudy and dry weather is forecast for Gauteng and the northwest. For tonight, scattered thundershowers are expected in the northeast, with isolated rainfall expected over parts of the western and eastern Cape, and a slight possibility of light rain or drizzle over the far western parts. On our wind map, you'll see a northwesterly wind which drives those thunderstorms, and a southeasterly and easterly direction as we head into Wednesday evening, with a southwesterly wind for the northern Cape. On Thursday, we're expecting windy conditions over the interior, with a southwesterly wind gusting along the eastern Cape coast, but more of a southeasterly wind over the southwestern part of South Africa, but that's only on Thursday afternoon. Mild conditions are expected overnight across the country, with minimums in the mid-teens over the northeastern part of South Africa, warm along the KwaZulu-Natal coast, 18 degrees for Richards Bay, 12 as we head into Uppington and Kimberley, 11 for De Aar and Bloemfontein, and a minimum of around 10 degrees for George. Maximum temperatures will peak in the middle and upper 20s over the northeastern part of South Africa on Thursday afternoon, in the low 20s for KwaZulu-Natal, with a maximum of around 20 degrees along the eastern Cape coast, with a cold day for George at only 17, but with Uppington, Kimberley and Bloemfontein all expecting highs in the mid-20s. On Friday, we're still expecting rain along the coast from George all the way through to Richards Bay, as well as into the Lowveld, with cooler weather forecast over the northeastern part of the country, but we'll start to see things warming up in the west, and by Saturday, sunny and hot weather is forecast over the western part of the country, but with the possibility of rain still along the east coast, and maximum temperatures making a recovery over the northeastern parts. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.